In today's video, we're gonna show you my transformation of dyeing my hair at home with the new Colorsonic from L'Oreal. This is a new device that you are going to want to see in action. This hair is the before, and we're gonna show you the after. I'm gonna show you everything about the Colorsonic, how it comes in the package, what kind of colors you have available. I'm gonna show you the whole process and how I used it at home and went from this to this.
Colorsonic is the first hair color device of its kind with over 29 patents. It makes hair coloring easy and an elevated experience. You get everything you need in the box, like reusable gloves and video tutorials, and it really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Colorsonic delivers the freshest formula possible by automatically mixing dye and developer in a 1-to-1 ratio at the moment you press the button. Along with the device, Colorsonic brings LOréalParis' first multi-usage hair color cartridge. It delivers up to 3 applications per cartridge, 3 root touch-ups, or 1 full head of application. What you don't use, you could save for the next time. This is such a wonderful way to not waste. I love this device. You can clean it after you use it and then save it for the next time you need to color your grays. Girl, you're gonna love your elevated home experience. I absolutely loved mine. I love my hair color. Thank you, L'Oréal Paris.